Hey, it's Mark Weiss. I want to talk with you today about a story I saw in the news about a nurse practitioner, a physician extender, who's been sentenced to 25 years in prison for his role in stealing the identities of 6 physicians, their provider numbers, and then using them to bill for surgeries that never took place. In addition, this guy, his name is Trivikram Reddy, he's somewhere in Texas, was ordered to repay, wait till you hear this, $52 million that he collected through his fraud. Jeez. Well, this is really an old story, a story of a sort that I've seen play out many ways in connection with healthcare practices and healthcare businesses over the years. For example, it could play out within a facility or within a medical group, sort of internally, with office staff in charge of paying the accounts payables, creating phony entities with phony invoices, submitting them, and getting real payments. I've seen some terrible outcomes in terms of that type of fraud. I've seen it play out within surgery centers with facilities run by unscrupulous sorts, we can call them mobsters, creating bills for surgeries, much like the nurse practitioner here did, for surgeries that never took place, using, in essence, misused anesthesiologist and surgeon provider numbers to fake these surgeries. And if you followed the Forest Park debacle in Texas that went down over the last several years, you know, there's even cases of anesthesiologists who used their own numbers to bill for cases that not only never took place, but those cases were supposedly performed while the anesthesiologist was under anesthesia himself. So, be very careful to protect how your identity, your provider numbers, your identity in general is used. If you think that anything fishy is going on, investigate it, find out about it, and if you have to, contact the authorities. I've seen these things blow up, and the downside is, for the innocent party, is they often get embroiled in what the prosecutors are sure was fraud committed by the individual who was really just another victim.